Hi guys, welcome back to this course, and this is the course overview. I'm Vamsi Pusapati. I'm very excited to have you here, and we are going on an amazing journey together. Trust me, it's going to be very fun. So, what will you do? In this course, we will learn HTML step by step and start from absolute zero and build modern and professional websites. By the end, we will be very confident and job ready. So, the websites are built with these blocks only: headings, paragraphs, images, links, lists, tables, forms, and etc. So while in HTML is the foundation of all websites, and it is very easy to learn and then beginner friendly also. And we will work with CSS and JavaScript, and it is a high demand in the job market. And if we want to start our journey as a web developer, we have to learn HTML. We will offer fundamentals of HTML, elements and tags, structures and attributes, build ready projects. So the technologies we are going to use are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. As we move on to the further classes, we will learn about them in detail. So how does a web work? And this is also the main concept, how the request is given, how the answer is coming back from the server. We will go through this in the next sessions. So what will we build? By the end of this course, we will be able to build landing pages, portfolios, business websites, responsive web pages, and much more. So, as we move on through the course, what will you do? It is the welcome and first steps, HTML fundamentals, CSS fundamentals, building layouts, web design frameworks, components and layouts. And the final, we will do a project on OmniFood, which is a normal basic web page we will develop in this course. And you can connect us in LinkedIn, GitHub, and also we have a website of Zeminent, www.zeminent.com. And this is the contact information. You can contact it directly to connect with us.